Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a taste test on these peppers that I'm growing. Not these ones here, these I grew last year, similar to them ones. I put a video up if you want to watch that, but I'm just showing you the size of these peppers and the ones that I'm growing in a pots, smaller version. Now here I've got black pepper, so I want to try and taste that to see what it tastes like compared to green pepper, which is next to it that I'm growing, but it's not as big as these ones here, the color peppers. But I wanted to see what the taste is like. Does the peppers taste better when they're smaller or when they're bigger? Let's take the biggest one. Smells very strong, not much seeds in them. Test one of these. That one's got a stronger flavor. The black pepper's got a strong flavor. This is the other one that I'm growing. That one's got a little bit more core inside than the black pepper. Let's taste it. Still, that black pepper has got more taste and it's more like spicy. They've got the best flavor, more peppery and more spicy. Lovely. You'll get about average 9 or 10 peppers from each plant, possibly be more, but usually it's about 9 or 10 from each plant. Thank you for watching.